Hello, welcome to my channel, and this is Train Handler Ben Sai, also known as Ben, and I am introducing my first video on this channel. So I've been waiting for almost over an hour for a train to come, and I think I hear one coming now. So I'm recording the introduction to this video, and hoping that it will be soon. I'll be recording. I hear another train. See, I hear that train? I think it's going out on the signal, so it's waiting to get. I hear the train. There's a train going that way. Hello, it's Train Handler Ben, and before I go, there's a train coming. I'm gonna go back. There's a train finally coming. Okay. Welcome back to the video. Let's go back here. Other ways, I can tell there's a train coming this time. Okay. Let's sit back here while the train gates will go down. No whistle. Like I said in my other video, on my other channel. It came in fast. The gates are gonna go down. Just take back here. I just got through there. There we go. Also heard a train coming from the other direction too. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my new channel, Train Handler Ben Sai. This channel right here. I'm gonna see which track is on. Wow, do you see how many trains there were? 4 trains. 4 engines. Yeah, it's on the outside track. On lane 2. I believe there's a second train coming from the other direction too. This might be a longer train. Yeah, I think there's a train coming from the other direction. It's got oil tankers and boxcars. Must be a signal down there, as I can see a green light reflecting off the train. We'll find out in a little bit. I've been waiting for this almost 2 hours. Oh, there's the end of the train. Okay. So that's it for now. I'm gonna stop recording, and if there's another train coming, I'll be back. Okay, since there is no other train coming right now, I thought it sounded like I heard a train coming, but maybe it'd be far enough away or it stopped. But I can't wait any longer. I have to go home now. But I'll try to record another video. Anyways, if you like this video, it's the first video on my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on another video. This is Train Handler Ben Sai. Long enough. Bye.